GamaKay has sent me their TK75V2 mechanical gaming keyboard. It's compact, packed with features, and I'm super excited to check this thing out. Taking a look at the packaging itself, I like the nice, clean, simple branding. On the side of the box, we have a few features here. We have hot swap switches. We have 16.8 million RGB backlight colors. I'm going to check that out for sure. Multi-platform control, so you can use this across multiple different devices. And then we also have a multimedia controls, and we have wired connection, 2.4 gigahertz dongle, as well as Bluetooth, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing opened up here. Very nice premium box. Absolutely love that. Here we have our little instruction manual. And here is the keyboard itself. Comes in a nice bag. Very nice. Feels hefty. Feels nice and premium. I am super excited to get into this thing. Also included in the box, you get a key and switch puller tool, and then we have a nice USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable as well. Now I just got the keyboard turned on with all the RGB going, and I think this thing looks super cool. There's a lot of features I really want to get into, but for now I just want to do a quick rundown of the build quality and some of the specs. So this thing is completely made out of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels nice and rigid. It doesn't have a lot of flex. Very, very well built and premium feeling keyboard. Now it does have some weight to it actually, which is nice because that will help to keep the keyboard planted. But this does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in it, which with all the RGB and the little screen running and everything going, that should give you about 40 hours of battery life from what I was seeing online. And so that's worst case scenario, which I think is quite good. You can obviously extend that time by turning off things like the RGB lighting. Now taking a little tour around the keyboard, on the back side here, we have the USB Type-C and the switch to switch between Bluetooth, USB, and the 2.4 gigahertz adapter. And this USB Type-C is both for charging and for using it in wired mode. On the bottom of the keyboard, we have some nice rubber feet here, nice and grippy. I also like that the feet here for the adjustment of the tilt or height has two separate settings. And then on this side of the keyboard, we have the same foot, but underneath here is the little 2.4 gigahertz adapter, if I can get this out here, which is just a USB Type-A adapter that stores away nice here for traveling. So I actually want to get a look at these switches for myself. I'm going to use their included tool, pull the keycap off, get down in here, get the switch out. There we go. So there's the magnetic mercury switch. Very nice, smooth actuation. You can see the spring in there and everything. Very nice, very cool. Also, it's kind of nice. You can see down there not only the circuit board, but you can also see the little RGB light. So it's literally every single key has an RGB light, which is just fantastic. And just makes RGB look a lot better, a lot cleaner, and a lot brighter. Also on the keyboard is this lovely volume knob. Now this is actually cool to the touch. I believe this is actually made out of metal, probably aluminum, I'm assuming. But it feels very nice. It has a nice clicky, kind of notchy feeling to it, which feels very premium. And then it can click as well. And this is fully customizable through the software. All of the RGB is customizable as well. And it just feels very nice and a premium aspect, which I really like actually having this feature on even a 75% keyboard. Another cool addition to this keyboard, which I really like, is this little RGB kind of strip right here. Now it's not super bright, it kind of bleeds out of the sides quite a bit, but it is kind of a cool addition, and in the dark it does look really neat. And now for the part that I'm sure all of you were curious about is this little display down here. Now this is a super cool feature of this keyboard that I'm super excited to talk about. And you can go into the software and choose all sorts of different things to show on this display. Right now I have it on the clock, which syncs with the clock on your PC. You can also monitor your PC's temperatures, different data on here, or you can go through and do different animations as well. There's a whole community store within their app where people have designed their own animations, or you can even draw your own, which is very cool. And you can apply them and put them on the little display on the keyboard. Such a cool feature. Now I'm super excited to try typing on this keyboard. They have two switch options for it. Both are mechanical and both are magnetic. They have the Mercury switch and they have the Phoenix switch. I'm not sure what the Phoenix one sounds like, but this one is equipped with the Mercury switches. This thing is crisp. These switches are incredibly smooth. They feel fantastic. It's consistent across the entire keyboard, not, the space bar or the backspace or something doesn't feel different. No, it's all consistent, all very smooth. They're not super loud, but they just have that nice, perfect amount of clickiness, and each key actuation is just like, it's pretty shallow, nice and springy, just very, very smooth. It just feels like butter typing across this keyboard. Absolutely loving the switches. For typing, I want to try gaming on this thing. Now I'm jumping into a little bit of Counter-Strike here to test out this keyboard. Again, absolutely love it. It's super responsive. And this thing has an 8,000 hertz polling rate, which is really quite good. It also has a 0.05 millimeter actuation point, and then it also has a 0.06 millisecond response time, which is super fast, and that's only in the wired or in the 2.4 gigahertz mode. That is not in the Bluetooth mode. So still, for even using a wireless dongle, 0.06 millisecond response time is very impressive. But just playing with it here, again, like I said before, all the keys just feel nice and consistent, smooth, very responsive. Everything is just feeling great with this. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of their software. You can download this from their website for your specific keyboard, and it is a fantastic and extensive software. So here we have our magnetic switch settings. We can do all sorts of travel settings, such as anti-accidental trigger mode, things like that. You can also adjust the dead zone of each key, which is quite cool. And then advanced key settings here. We can adjust our depths for the actuation of the keys. We have all sorts of tons and tons of different settings for everything here. And you can, select a specific key and control that specific key. Crazy stuff going on here. We also have settings for all of our functions and stuff like that. We have macro settings. This right here is to customize the display. You can draw whatever you want on here and, put it on the little screen here. We have our RGB settings here, which we have a ton of different modes, custom colors, custom animations, per key RGB. You can select a specific key and change the color. You have specific controls for the little side light bar, and then you can save obviously all your different things here. We also have the community store, which I think is a really cool feature. People can come in, you can make different RGB designs or animations for the display, all sorts of different things. They have different configurations for keys, macros, all sorts of stuff. And you can create these yourself, and you can put them in the store immediately. You can literally hit the download button, and it applies it to the keyboard. It's super cool, and very community-based, which I really like. I think that's cool that you can go find other customizations that other people have made and use them on your keyboard. And then obviously normal account and firmware kind of settings. So lots and lots and lots of customization with this keyboard. It's pretty crazy. I was very, very surprised when I first opened this up just to see how much customization is in here. Now, this keyboard comes in at $110, but for that price, yes, you're getting a 75% keyboard, and yes, it is packed, and I mean packed with features. First of all, build quality, key switches, absolutely feel amazing. Plus, you get a multimedia control, you get the little display, which maybe you think is gimmicky, but I personally think it's pretty cool. But even without that, you're getting the software, which is insanely customizable. And if you want literally full control over every single aspect of your keyboard, then this is definitely a good option for you. Now I'm going to leave both the Amazon link and link to their website if you guys want to check this thing out. I'm going to leave those down in the description below. It's currently going for $110, but you can use code GK10 and get this thing 10% off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I have a bunch of cool content planned for upcoming videos, so make sure to stay tuned. I'm super excited about it, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.